going on YouTube? It's your boy Pweezy, and I'm back with another video. As y'all seeing these clips, bro, I am frying these kids, bro. I am frying these kids in this clip, bro. I'm on my 6'9", ISO DEMI. It's a small ball 4, bro, but he's a 6'9". You know what I'm saying? I do everything. I got a 92 rebound, like an 89 driving dunk, like a 70-something 3-ball, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And she ain't say, y'all barely gonna be seeing me shoot. I'm kidding. Of course, I'm shooting the ball. I don't care. I know it's 2K25, but guess what? 2K26 is on its way, bro. I got the early edition, and this is probably my last 2K25 video, bro, before the year ends, or, you know what I'm saying, the 2K year. You know what I'm saying? We got like 2 or 3 days left, and then 26 is here. And I'm telling y'all right now, I got the builds for y'all. I'm finna cook up, man. I'm finna cook up. My first build, he gonna be a 6'7". I'm gonna have a high block, high interior, and I'm gonna be at ISO. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be at ISO. God, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna really be cooking. I'm gonna be on a 6'7", and y'all gonna see. I'm gonna have a 7'4" as well. I'm gonna make a 7'4". I'm not gonna lie, he's gonna be glitchy. I gotta make one. Bro, if I can post hook from the 3-point line, I am being toxic. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? We gotta have a lock as well. So y'all gonna definitely see a lot of good content, man. I seen 2K26 is gonna be like 2K17 dribbling, they say, and a little bit of, you know, this year's dribbling. And by the end of the year, as y'all seen from my previous videos, I gotten way better at dribbling. I've been, you know, labbing up more. So, you know, 2K26 is looking good if it's going to be similar dribblings. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be on a smaller build as well. But I'm going to, you know, have a high vert and stuff like that. So I should be around the same. Ew, double euro? I mean, I said euro. Double in and out. Hello. Give me that. Hey, come on, man. Y'all see, I'm frying these kids in these clips, man. But I'm going to let the rest of the clip roll out, man. I love y'all, man. Y'all already know, bro. Put God first. God bless. I love y'all, man. Stay safe. Stay blessed and enjoy the rest of the video, man. I'm out. I'll see y'all in 2K26 on the build video. You already know what's coming up first.